Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials so we avoid wasted steps. First, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is working. Slow network blocks store visibility. Next, verify your Apple ID in settings and sign out, then sign back in to refresh permissions. Use Spotlight or ask Siri to open App Store. This locates a hidden icon. Once done, perform a quick restart. It clears temporary glitches and can restore a missing app icon without deeper changes. Now you tackle configuration causes. Go to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and enable iTunes and App Store actions. Restrictions commonly hide the app. Then check Settings General Profiles and Device Management for any profile that restricts apps and remove it if it's blocking the store. If the App Store was deleted, reset the home screen layout to reveal hidden icons. Make sure you update iOS, because older versions may behave differently, and updates often reintroduce missing system apps. Finish by escalating carefully. Reset network settings first to clear connection conflicts. This won't delete media. If that fails, choose Reset All Settings to restore defaults while keeping your data. This often returns system apps. As a last recourse, back up to iCloud or your computer and perform a restore. That reinstalls iOS and the App Store. If problems continue, contact Apple support or visit a store. Bring your device and Apple ID info. Tip: try a different Apple ID briefly to see if the issue is account-specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.